Relationship between Bhagavan and the jiva is that of servant and served. Bhagavan is the served, savior. Savior, it's in terms here. The Sevak Bhagavan and the Savior Bhagavan. The Savior means who is served. So that's Bhagavan Sri Krishna. And the Sevaka or Sevak is the jiva. He's a servant. That is only a general relationship. In an advanced stage of devotion, this same relationship manifests in one particular form out of the various moods of ecstasy. Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya. Shri Gurudev, knowing the Swarupa Gata Bhav, he gives nourishment to that particular mood within his heart in order to bring it clearly to view. So the devotee, he's taken Diksha, he's serving his Guru, chanting mantras, so after some time, he becomes advanced in spiritual consciousness, and he begins to have some revelation of his own eternal form. This is what's being told. And then, in cooperation with the Guru, who understands this internal disposition, then he gives nourishment to that mood within his heart in order to bring it clearly into view. Now it may be some rough idea of his swarup. And he reveals his mind, and then the Guru confirms that and clarifies that. So Guru is always needed.